Hi everyone, I'm going to make today dinner roll. So first I'm going to have 1 pack of instant yeast, and now we're gonna need 1/2 cup of water. That's very hot, so usually I'm gonna add more cold water in that to get 110 Fahrenheit of the water. Okay, let's see. You have to get the fill like so. Add 1 pack of yeast in the warm water. It's just 1/2 cup. Okay. To dissolve this, so it's like we just have to wait 5 minutes to dissolve the yeast. Put plastic wrap and then place this to the warm place. Okay guys, add the dry ingredients. So we're gonna need 3 cups of flour, okay, and always keep a little bit. So I'm gonna use this later to kneading. And add 1 tablespoon of white sugar, but if you don't want it, you don't have to. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside and mix all the dry ingredients. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, our butter. Then I add the egg. Also, I put 1 egg and I mix together with the butter. Then we're gonna need 1/2 cup of warm milk. Then add your 1/2 cup of milk. And mixed it. Now the yeast is dissolved. Add the yeast to the mixture and mixed it. Then add 1 quart of warm water into the cup that you use for the yeast. Then add a little bit of milk. Okay. And then we just have to mix this. Make sure everything is good. And add a little bit of the milk and water that we mixed. Then now I have to use my hand to mix. But if you have a bread making machine, then you can use that easily. Then knead the dough. We have to kneading this for 10 minutes until it raised it. So we're gonna do this for 10 minutes. Hello everybody, I have a Pyrex here, and we just have to make sure that it's very clean. Okay, and we just have to stir. You just have to make rolls in here. Okay. Cut this off like that. Now I'm just going to cover this with plastic wrap and put this in the warm place, and we're gonna wait for 1 hour to see that they were double in size already. Okay everyone, our dinner roll is raised like 2 times of the normal one. Okay, and I have egg here. We're just gonna need the egg white.
Hello, wife.
Ah. Okay, I'm just gonna be careful to get the egg white. Joy, you're funny. And I don't want to use everything. And I just brush it into the dinner roll. This is a simple way to make the dinner roll, and it's really soft dinner roll, but it's simple ingredients. Now I have the sesame seed here. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit. We like sesame, but if you don't want to use sesame seed, it's okay. Well, now preheat your oven for 375, and we're going to bake this for 25 minutes. Okay everyone, our dinner roll is cooked. I transferred the bread to the smaller because the Pyrex is too big for the stove, so I have to transfer in the smaller one. So I have one batch here, and it's cooked already, and it's look really soft, and it's hot. Okay, let's see. It's very soft ingredients. I made this before I make a video, and it is just simple. Look at that, how soft it is. So hope you guys will like my dinner roll, and it's simple ingredients, and hope you like it, and try in your house and make it and let me know what it tastes like, because we really like it. So hope you like it, and see you again. Bye.